everybody, and welcome back to another one of my videos. Today I'm out in my garden and I've got some plants to sort out, which is my strawberries. I've got some bare root one what someone sent me, and I've got some of my own strawberries what's spread all over the place, so I might get some out of there. So the ones what they sent me are the snow white, which is a white strawberry, and I've got some of the big giant sweet colossus ones as well, but I'm just waiting for those to turn up. So I'm just sorting out these white alpine ones. I'm going to be putting them in a strawberry tower, and then the colossus ones I'm going to be putting in hanging baskets to go on either side. So in my bucket, what I've done so far, I've got some koi and perlite, and into that I'm going to put my compost. You see steam coming from it, it's just from the we use warm water to melt half a block of koi. And into that I'm going to put some blood fish and bone. I'm going to fill this up with this is the compost from what we get from our allotment. As you can see around the garden, I've still got all these buckets and all that to sort out, but once I sort out down the allotment, I'll see what I'm going to be taking most of these down there as well. Some of them I'm going to be planting tomatoes here and a few little bits and pieces here, but not a lot of things I'm going to be planting at home. So I'm just going to mix this in, and once I've done this I'll be back with you. Right everybody, so I've mixed up the first bucket, going to be mixing up some more in a minute. So these are what I've got to put them in. You just stack them like there's one way they're stacked so that you pile them up high, but I'll show you in a minute when so what I'm going to do, I'm going to fill these up. These you can get from I got these from the pound shop. They're £1 each. Some shops you go in there £1.25 or so, but so I'm just going to fill these up, level them off, and then I'll be back with you in a minute. Right everybody, so back inside now. So these are the strawberry, they're called these bare roots. You can get suckers, but these are called snow white. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to dig the hole in each corner so that they're planted at an angle. So I've got them all to make sure all the roots are in, and just cover them over. And then I've just got that little bit of top growth what's coming out. so that when I stack the pot, when I stack the other pot now, it doesn't hit the them ones. So what I do when I'm doing them, I always check for any rotten leaves or anything what I don't want on there. I'll take off from now. There you can see that the roots are quite long and long already, so I'll make sure that all the roots go down. And I'll cover that over. So what I want is it to go over the sides. Some people put more than one in each section, but I'm just putting the one. So if you like our videos, please remember to like, share and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell another friend. If you want to leave a comment, you can leave comments in the comment section. We do get back to you on them as nice as you can see. If you write us anything, if you want to send us anything, just send me an email. If there's anything that you want to see us grow over the next growing season or try in the polytunnel, just let me know. I'll see if I can get hold of it anywhere. There's maybe times when I might need you to get hold of it for me and then send it to me. I don't mind paying the postage if it's something that we haven't got already and it's different. Then I don't really mind too much paying for the postage. So that's the first one done. So then what you do with these now, you carefully stack it like that, so that you've got the strawberries going all around, and this is going to go in one of the corners in the polytunnel. Some of them. So I don't know how high this tower is going to be yet, because still got some strawberries to sort out. So I'm going to carry on with this, and then when I'm done this, then I'll be back with you in a minute. Right everybody, so I've got the snow white strawberries planted. I used a stack of 3. I'm going to be putting some other strawberries as I go along, but I might just keep these ones separate because I don't want to get these. I don't know if you can cross-pollinate strawberries, and I want these to stay the true white. So I'm going to leave these in the tray separate, and then I know that they're all white ones in here. So I'm going to sorting out my hanging baskets now for my other ones. So I'm going to do that, and then I'll be back with you in a minute. Right everybody, so I've got my strawberries now. They just came, so I'm going to pot them. These are sweet colossus, these smaller ones, and these ones are some out of my garden from my one. I didn't realise that there were so many roots out there. I've still got some to take up, so what I'm going to put in my other thing. So with hanging baskets, you can put them so that they cascade over the sides, or you can make holes in the side of your matting and push them push them in through there so that they'll come down, but I want my one to cascade over the top. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put one of my big ones in the middle. So you're just making it. Oh, this is koi, perlite, and some of my compost from my allotment. So just put that in the middle there and firm that down. Then I'm going to get my sweet colossus, just put them as near to the side as I can at an angle. So I'm just going to put them around, because I know this one has got the big leaves. If you want, you can take off these big leaves, but I just to put a bit more energy into their growing. So just going to snip these two off, and then I got those ones. These plants, I brought them online. They're meant to be singular potted and that already. When they come now, they come as bare roots. So be careful when you're buying stuff online. A lot of these sellers are really scrupulous. They tell you one thing, and when it comes, it's another thing. So this is my hanging baskets, what's going up in the allotment. So that's how I'm doing my one, because my ones are going to come not too high that I can't see the top, so they should be alright. So I'm not going to water these in yet, because I'm taking them straight up the allotment, and then I'll water them at the allotment. So that's the first one. Right, I'll be back with you in a second. Right, so this is how my strawberries came. They're sweet colossus. They're meant to be individually potted, so the person sent them like this. I'm not happy about it, but I'll just have to work with what you get. So so what I'll do, I'll check each one. You can get two plants off of this one, but I'm just going to leave it as one. And then again, I might just separate it. So I've got one there. Taking all these black stuff off. You can hear the rain chucking it down again. So once you've got strawberries, if you look after them, you never need to buy any more, because they just run into the paths everywhere. If you've got them on the ground, they run and spread over if you're not containing them. Right, so what have I done with my spoon? So like I was saying, these are the ones from my garden. I'm going to find a nice one to go in the middle. You don't have to plant them like how I'm planting them. You can put them in the side like I was saying. Because these are going to be hanging, I'm putting them at the top, making sure my hole is thing. So you want to bury them up to the tip of the crown, so that little crown is sticking out of the soil. Just slightly press them in. Right, then put my colossus around the side. And doing the same thing. So if you're liking our videos, please remember to like, share and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell another friend. If you want to leave a comment, you can leave a comment in the comment section. We will get back to you on them. So that's how I plant my strawberries. Some in my stacking system, and then some in the hanging baskets as well. So I hope you all enjoyed this one. Please remember to like, share and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell another friend about this channel. Press the notification bell, and as we do a video, you get them straight away. So thanks for watching, and see you all on the next one. Thank you.